Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Is someone tapping your SIM card? This is a very important question because nobody wants their calls or messages to be watched. There are many paid apps online that can do this. In today's video, I will answer this question and show you 5 signs that someone is listening to your calls and messages. Most importantly, I will tell you how to stop it if your SIM card is being watched. So the first sign that someone is tapping your SIM card, you can check here, open menu on your phone. After that, tap on search. In search, type SIM Toolkit. SIM Toolkit. This application exists on every Android phone. Open this app. And here you can find a list of services and other items. But it's important to check for any items with names consisting of obscure characters and random symbols and numbers, such as those you see on the screen. Also pay attention to names such as remote control, config update, forwarding, and spy service. If you see such names, don't click them, simply call your operator and report them. The thing is that when a SIM card is controlled remotely, the phone often cannot correctly display the commands sent, so they appear here in the obscure format. As you can see, fortunately, I don't have such items. And let's move to the second sign, open your phone app. After that, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on 3 dots and here select Settings. Then scroll down to Supplementary Services and tap on that. And here you can see Call for Warden. Open it. Call for Warden and then select Voice Calls. Check if there are any phone numbers here that you don't recognize. Call for Warden is a useful feature, for example, when you travel abroad. But if your calls are being forwarded to a number you don't know and it's not your operator's voicemail number, be careful. If you see a strange number here, just delete it. If you don't have this feature, Call for Warden, you can also check Call for Warden using special codes on any phone. For this, open your phone app and type *#21# and tap Call. After that, you will see MMI code started, and here we can check that Call for Warden is not forwarded. And after that, type second code *#67# and tap Call. And here we check the same. That Call for Warden went busy, voice not forwarded, and synth not forwarded. If you find a strange number during the check, you can also delete it using a special another code. For this, type #002# and tap Call. And you will see a message that all Call for Warden erasure was successful. This means that all Call for Warden numbers have been deleted. Next sign that you are being listening to is the green dot at the top of the screen. Most of you probably already know about it. It lights up if the camera and microphone is currently being used. However, the main function of this green dot is not to show you that the microphone is being used, but to indicate the specific application that is using it. The next time you see the green dot, swipe down to the status bar on your phone, after which your dot will increase in size and you can click on it. If you click on it, you can see specific app which currently use your microphone, and decide whether it should do this or maybe it is listening to you. However, the green dot often lights up for only a few seconds, and if you miss it, you can find the microphone usage history in the settings. Now I will show you how to do this. On your phone, head to Main Settings. After that, scroll down to Security Privacy. Here we can see this tab, Security Privacy. Tap on that. And after that, scroll down to Permissions. Permissions used in last 24 hours. You can change this to 7 days. And after that, select Microphone. And here you can see all apps which use your microphone. Also in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you can tap on 3 dots and select Manage Apps with this permission. And here pay attention to Section Allowed all the time, because if some application constantly uses your microphone, this is a reason to be worried. For example, I don't know which application needs a microphone constantly, even when you are not using this application. Therefore, if some application constantly has access to the microphone, change this to Allowed Only while in use or Not Allowed. The next sign is Connected Devices and Applications with Administrator Rights. We will check this now for this. Head to Main Settings on your phone. After that, tap on Security Privacy. Here scroll down to More Security Settings. Tap on that. And scroll down to Device Admin Apps. Tap on that. And here, only apps for finding your phone should be turned on here in case you lose it. Everything else should be turned off like on my phone. The problem is that apps here can secretly do anything they want. They have access to everything on your phone. It is also worth checking the device connected to your SMS messages. That is, on which other devices your SMS messages can be viewed. For this, open your Message app. And in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on your profile photo. Here, select Device Pairing. And if you see here Device, which you don't recognize, delete this device because your messages can be viewed on this device, which you can see here. The last sign consists of several small ones that taken together can tell that your SIM card is being taped. First of all, there are various noises and clicking sounds during calls. If you hear this, insert the SIM card into another phone and see if it happens again. If so, the problem is not with the phone, but with the SIM card itself, which could be being taped. The next sign is receiving text messages with strange symbols, similar to those we checked in the SIM Toolkit app. You will also can see calls and history of calls that you didn't make. And finally, as a bonus, I'll show you a setting available on most phones that shows whether there are any unknown devices nearby, which are often found near you, since scammers can use them to tap your phone. That's all I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss new helpful videos. Thanks to everyone supporting my channel, I really appreciate it. If you'd like to support as well, you can do so via the link in the video description. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.